Welcome back, friends. I'm Miss Robinson, and it's time to learn. Today, we're going to learn all about the sound of J. The letter J is a consonant, and it makes a sound like this. J, J, J. The reason why it's so important that you learn your letter sounds is because this will help you to become a good reader, writer, and speller. Today, we're going to read a very special book from our Alphatales series. The reason why it's so special is because it's full of words that start with J. So listen carefully, because when I'm done, I'm going to ask if you can identify any words that start with J. Jaguar's Jungleberry Jamboree, written by Helen H. Moore, illustrated by Ellen Joy Sasaki. Jeremy Jaguar loved jam. Jungleberry jam was Jeremy's favorite. Jeremy loved jam on toast, jam on pancakes, jam on muffins, even jam on ham. One day, a terrible thing happened. Jeremy Jaguar ran out of jam. "I must pick some jungleberries to make more jam," said Jeremy. Jeremy waited until the first day of July, when the jungleberries would be ripe. Jeremy put on his jersey and jumped in his Jeep. He drove through the jungle to the place where the jungleberry trees grew. Soon, he saw the trees up ahead. The jungleberries were as bright as jewels. As Jeremy got closer to the jungleberry trees, he heard jazzy music playing. Jeremy peeked through the bushes. "Jumping June bugs," said Jeremy. "It's a Jaguar Jamboree." Jaguars from every part of the jungle had come to pick jungleberries. The jaguars were jumping, jitterbugging, and jiving. And best of all, they were making jam. Jeremy joined the jamboree. He jumped, he jitterbugged, he jived, and he ate jungleberry jam until he thought he would burst. When the jamboree was over, Jeremy packed his Jeep with jam jars and drove home. Now, every July, he joins the other jaguars for the Jungleberry Jamboree. And the jaguar who eats the most jam is always Jeremy. Now, how many things can you find that begin with the letter J?